All right, we're going to be exploring arc length formula looking at radians. So the formula for arc length when you're given the radian measure of an angle is S equals R theta. Just say S equals R theta, S equals R times theta, radius times the radian measure. Pretty simple. Um, S is the length. So when you see the letter S, just think that's the arc length. That's the same as L, or just the length of that portion of the circle. R is the radius. And then theta, this theta is the angle measure in terms of radians. And if you can look up what radians means and how to get from degree to radians, but for right now, we just need to know what is that radian measure. So R is radius. See, we don't want to get confuse the R radius with R radian, so we use a different symbol for that. So we use the angle, and that's radians. Radians. Okay, it's a different way to measure an angle in a circle, and we can explore that in a different lesson. So in this case here, a circle has a diameter of 10 inches. What is the length of an arc subtended? So basically, if the arc is opened up from that angle by a central angle of 3.5 radians. So this would be 3.5. The diameter is 10, not the radius. So the diameter is 10. That means the radius is going to be half of that. So the radius will be 5. And we just want to know what is the length of that arc. So we're going to take that 10 divided by 2 because the radius is going to be half the diameter. So it's going to be 10 divided by 2, which is 5. And we're going to plug that in along with this 3.5, and we'll get our length. So the S is going to be equal to 5 times 3.5. And put that in the calculator. And I'll just go ahead and calculate that real quick. You want to pause the video and try it and make sure you can get the answer. I'm getting about 17.5, and then this is in inches, so it'll be inches. And that's it. So that means this length here, if this is 3.5 radians, would be 17.5 inches.